In this video, we're going to do a quick unboxing on some new glasses that just came in the mail. Let's check them out. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm Jeff at JEFE Reviews, and this weekend I'm bringing you something a little bit different. I kept seeing these ads for this company called Locs come up on my Facebook feed and on my social media, so I decided to give them a try. I really like their product. Came in super quick, so I thought I'd make this quick video, share it with you guys. This way you guys could check them out for yourselves. This is in no way a sponsored video. I just saw them, I saw their products, I liked it, so I went ahead and bought it. And I thought they looked pretty cool, so I figured I'd share it with you guys. If you guys want to check them out, I'm going to leave all those links in the description box right down below. You can check them out, check out their website, and check out their social media as well. But yeah, with all that being said, let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so what I've got for you guys today is a box from a company called Locs. I kept seeing their ads come up on my Facebook feed. Not exactly sure why it kept popping up. Maybe they thought I would like it. I don't know. They do make a lot of cool products. I saw their ad for, a baseball cap that had like a Sarape bill on it. So I thought that was kind of cool. So I went ahead and clicked on the link to check them out. They got a lot of cool products on their site. I saw some sunglasses. I'm a big, I like sunglasses a lot. I have a lot of issue with brightness outside. So I figured let me give them a try. Let me take a look at them. So let me show you guys what I got from them. Alright, so we've got the carrying pouch here. Fairly standard fare for this kind of thing, but has their logo on it. Drawstring there. Here are the glasses themselves. Before we get into those, looks like they give me a decal here for Locs, and that's the brand that we're talking about here. Looks like a keychain. Keychain with their logo on it. And a 10% off coupon. So yeah, not bad. Alright, so let's take a look at the glasses real quick so you guys can see. They're kind of like a modernized version of the classic Locs sunglasses. You can see that there. What I really liked was this. You guys like that? You can add script here free of charge. Whatever lettering, they have about 9 or 10 different font styles, and you can put in, basically customize it to say whatever you want it to say. I'm assuming. I didn't see any restrictions on that, so I got JEFE on there, just to represent my channel there. And then here we've got like an Aztec calendar kind of looking deal, and they had a few different styles. There was like a skull, there was like something that looked like barbed wire, but I'll leave a link to their website. This way you guys can check these out for yourselves. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty solid, and it's on both sides, so you guys can see. And it almost feels engraved, which I thought was kind of cool. It's got texture to it, so that's kind of nice. And this is on their GST frame that you can see right here, GST. And these actually fit my head really well. I wish they were just slightly looser, but I have a massive head, so this is not really a fault with Locs themselves. But on a good note, on their website, when you're looking at the glasses, if you look at the different pictures that they have for each frame, towards the bottom, there's actually a picture that gives you all the dimensions of the glasses, which I thought was super cool because that let me know that these would actually fit me. Had I gone with a smaller frame, it wouldn't have actually fit my head, so that would have been a bad experience. So, kudos to Locs, for doing that. But yeah, but this is something, if you're into this sort of thing, if you'd like to have some glasses customized, these run around $28, so you're probably looking at a few bucks in shipping, so I'd say under $35 total, so it's not bad. I mean, now they're not going to have the quality of, say, like your Oakleys or Ray-Bans or anything like that. It's nothing like that, but for what it is, for some customized glasses that look pretty sweet, at least I think they look pretty sweet, it's definitely a good deal in my book. So yeah, and I really like them. Alright guys, so that wraps up this quick unboxing of the Locs GST glasses with the custom JEFE engraving. You can basically put whatever you want on the side here, so if you guys do order them, go ahead and make that your own. I'll be leaving links to City Locs website along with some of their social media links right down in the description box below. Make sure you guys go and show them some love. And as always, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you didn't like this video, go ahead and hit that dislike button. That's okay too. And if you haven't done so already, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small bell icon. This way you never miss any of my weekly uploads. Now with all that being said, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you in my next video.